Hello, my name is Regina.
And I'm Lovisa.
And today we are in the interactive plant environment in Emerson's Level factory in Sweden to discuss the smart diagnostic suites of the Rosemount 2140 Level Detector that detects and diagnoses abnormal conditions before they become a problem. And the smart diagnostic suite includes 3 diagnostic functions that can either be used separately or in conjunction. And today, we will learn how to use frequency profiling using AMS Device Manager.
So frequency profiling is used to detect unnatural changes in sensor frequency that could be caused by mechanical vibrations in the process or hardware failure, for instance. A vibrating fork naturally experiences small deviations in frequency when in a dry or wet state, and the frequency gradually changes when immersed or removed from a medium. However, if the fork frequency would suddenly jump or show no sign of deviation, this would indicate an unnatural state. So let's see how frequency profiling can be used to monitor these unnatural changes in sensor frequency.
To enable the function, go to the manual setup and find the frequency profiling tab. The minimum deviation and duration are set to indicate potential hardware failures that would cause the fork to lose its natural frequency deviation. The minimum deviation limit is typically set between 0.01 and 0.05 Hz, and the duration to longer than 100 seconds. The maximum deviation and duration are set to indicate unnatural jumps in frequency that could potentially be caused by mechanical vibrations. The maximum deviation limit is typically set to 10 to 15% of the natural fork vibration frequency, and the duration to less than 1 second.
Whenever the frequency variation is smaller or larger than the preset thresholds, you will be provided with an advisory alert to take action. Press the Diagnostics icon for information on the issue and the recommended action. So with the Smart Diagnostics suite, operators can reduce the risk of time-consuming and costly process shutdowns by proactively scheduling maintenance before an incident occurs.
And to learn more about the functionalities of the Rosemount 2140 Level Detector, please see related videos or visit our website. Thank you.